Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO T1 Pro and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. Alright, so let's start with opening the settings, and right here we have to scroll in order to find this section, accounts. Of course you've got the Google section here and you can manage the Google account using it, but I prefer this one. So let me tap on this section, and right here we have to take a look at this section, the accounts for the owner. As you can see, I've got one currently set, but no worries, we can add new ones. So let me tap on add account, choose Google, and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. From this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And just a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because as you can see, after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, perfect. Let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course, you can read it, just tap on it, on those blue links, and you will be provided with the information. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And as you can see, we've got our Google account added. We did not have to agree to anything, etc. So this is how to add the account to your device. Of course, you can remove it whenever you want to, and this operation is so easy because all you have to do is to tap on it and tap on remove account. Confirm it, of course, and basically that will be all. Of course, if you've got the screen lock currently set, your device will ask you to enter it to confirm. However, it's quite easy. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.